Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how I do my own lashes. I used to go get them professionally done and spend like, I don't know, 150 bucks for the first time, and then every couple weeks it was like, well, with tip and stuff, like 60 bucks. So I figured out Amazon has eyelash clusters, and you can do it all yourself at a way fraction of the cost. So I'm getting out my my eyelashes. So this is the ones that I use all different kinds, but this is one of the ones I've gotten lately. I got a million of them because I started out with smaller sizes at first because I didn't want it to be like too much. But then I realized like the bigger sizes I like better because they stand out more, but I got all these, so. But I'm going to use these today. It's 16 millimeters. This one says Sea Sparkle. And then this one says a Fluffy. I think we're going to do the Fluffy today. I haven't tried these yet. So, okay. So what I usually do is we're going to curl the eyelashes first. Obviously want to try to get them as much curled up as possible. For me, I have a lot of under eyelashes and they're like, so they stick up everywhere. So usually I always have problems with the end. I'm gonna make this magnified here so I can see. So I'm just gonna curl. I'm gonna do this side first. This side I'm the best at because I am a lefty. This side's a toughie. But anyways, super easy. I think I bought these for like, I don't know, under $10. I also bought, so there's a couple of ways that I usually do this, depending on how long I want them to last. All right, so this is your glue, your eyelash glue. So it looks like a mascara. So what I usually do, try not to get my bottom eyelashes, but you want to get it right at the base because that's where you're going to be putting your eyelashes. Don't really want to, I don't really do my whole eyelashes because they're pretty long, but not obviously as long as I want them. But you don't want all that sticking either to your eyelashes. Just the base, just under here is where you want all that glue. And these edges, I always have problems because they stick to the bottom. But anyways, so that's that. All right, so like I was saying, sometimes I use a little extra glue on mine, on the extensions, just to make it stick and last longer. All right, so I gotta get my glasses on because I can't see. Okay, so here it is. Here is my little thingy. And when you pick these up, you want to pick them up at the base, like that, okay? So now, like I was saying, I usually, if I want these guys to last long, usually for me, I want to say they last at least 4 to 7 days, depending on how I put them on and everything. But so here's your lash, okay? So what I'm going to do, this is the base that's going to go right under. I usually put a little extra glue there. I just use this kind of glue. I think it's for upper lashes, but it works. So, and of course I have to keep switching on and off. So I'm going to put just a little glue here. Okay. I'll fan it out a little bit because you don't want it super wet when you put this on. And then you just start at the edge, the outer eye. My bottom lashes are already sticking to the top one, so. All right, so this is how you do it. Boom. Push it in a little bit. All right, glasses back on. Let's get another one here. I don't know why I closed this, but I used to not like the 16 millimeters because they were a little long, but now I really like the dramatics, especially when trying to do like videos, posting my wigs and stuff. Obviously, it looks better when you have lashes than not. And I just did my eyebrows. I did this stuff that you paint on and then peel off. I was a little leery about it, but it actually works pretty cool. All right, so you just go along the eyelash where you just did right here. Oh, come on. One fell in my eyeball. Let's get that puppy out. There. All right. All right, just push that in. You don't want to get your glue on here because when you start sticking them on, it'll stick to your normal lashes that have the glue on, and it can be a hot mess. I think I've mastered it by now. I've been doing this for about a year now, maybe a little more. This just gives it a little extra glue and longevity. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh. Huge difference, huh? This one's long as hell. All right, we'll just keep going. Sometimes I do smaller towards the inner of my eye, just to give it more, oh, I dropped that, to give it a more natural look. But because I'm doing a video today, I'm just gonna do the 16 all the way around. So I always wave it just, you don't want it super wet. I'm also gonna use my hair dryer once these are on. Tap, tap, tap. And now I can fit one more on there. Maybe I should do a small one. What do you think? Probably, huh? I got 14 right here, and 12. I used to do the 12 and 14. But then I started really liking the bigger ones and went through my 14, so I don't have much left, but I've got enough to just do the inside corner here. Hopefully this doesn't look weird, but I've done this before. I always like do a smaller one on the inside. There. And that's it. That is pretty much how I do my lashes. And we just take our trusty blow dryer, because I don't like waiting. So I put it on the cool setting. And then I switched to the warm setting. Just to dry it faster. Don't mind my hair. Look, my braids coming through. My hair's all messed up. Whatever. It is what it is. I did this kind of cool dark red. It was temporary. Now it's washing out. And you can see all my grays, my whites. Switch this on to warm. This is pretty much it, guys. That's it. After I dry it, I usually just take these little cuties that we put them on with, and I just clamp down. And look, I'm still sticking a little bit, but that's okay. You just want to clamp them to your lashes. And like I said, these pretty much last me, you know, good 4 to 5 days. I mean, obviously, you want to make sure, like, when you're sleeping, you don't have your pillow on them, because I've woken up and they're, like, pointing this way. I was like, oh, crap. So now when I sleep, I make sure the pillow's, like, here and not be on my lash, which is still comfortable. I pull it off. But anyways, that is how I throw on my lashes. And I don't have to pay no huge, expensive prices at the salon and sit there for 2 hours, because I used to hate that. That was like the worst part of getting my lashes professionally done. Getting all this stuff taped down. You had to, you know, sit there for an hour and a half while they glued each one. I mean, they look great. I'm not going to lie. They looked wonderful, but these look just as good. And way faster process. I can take them off when I want to and reapply new ones. So, yeah, that's how I do it. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe my channel, and have a good rest of your day.